Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you wherever you are. Look at the sky and the evening is so beautiful, so enchanting. Okay, today actually my video is just to talk with you and share with you and discuss something with you, and I need your advice because sometimes when we can't decide on something, we have to take the advice of our friends is better. So you guys are also like my friends and my family. We are a part of each other. So I want to discuss each and every moment and with you of my this journey. Actually I am just wondering, should I, because it's this pandemic is creating very like unusual kind of situation, and it is making us to decide also very certain things that we haven't planned in our life. But I think that's how the life is, right? We always so actually that's how the life is, right? Certain things we do in our life which is not planned. So I come to the point. My point is that I cannot make a decision on it. So should I leave Malaysia or should I stay here? I am staying here in since 2006 till today. So it's like I most of my time in this period, maybe 4 or 5 times I visit my country, Pakistan. So that's how the life whole, most like a part of life, my like 15 years I spent here. So I need your advice. Should I or should not leave from Malaysia? What should I do? Should I stay here or should I leave? Because the situation with this pandemic also everywhere is a stress. And I am very confused on that. My husband, my children, they really want to go back. They say we want to go back to our country, is better. We want to enjoy the life of our country. Even my kids who are born here, they are still willing to go back to Pakistan. So I want to ask, is it a right decision or not? Please let me know in comments, or who are listening me, give me your support and give me a good advice on that. What should I do? Here in Malaysia, I found so many good people. Never had a bad experience. People here are so good, so cooperative. Their behavior, mashallah, is so nice and friendly, and everything is so good. The 15 years that I spent here, I cannot forget. But always the feel is there to miss our home. The day I came here, from that time until now, every year I got a plan. Okay, I want to move back to my country, because the country, our own country love, all we can't forget. And the losses that we bear, we cannot also compensate them. When our family is there, my mother passed away, I was here, even cannot manage to go there and see her. I cannot take a part in her funeral ceremonies, which is very painful, because to say goodbye is very important. And when the relations like that suddenly get apart and we never thought of it, so that is very painful, and this thing cannot compensate when we stay here. And many, I have lost very close members of our family, which is which we can't compensate. But that's why these are the some points when we think that we should be with our family, with our I want to be with my father, and I want to, because my kids are growing also, so I want to show them so they know the values of relationships and families. They can so at least they know their the grandparents, so very important. But to take after all, without in spite of all these things, to make a decision to go back to my own country is still very difficult for me, because I'm really double minded with my with the years that I spend here, with all the good experience that I have here is wonderful. I cannot forget that. And I thought, but I'm really confused. I'm really confused on that part. To stay, Malaysia is the best destination, but because we want to move back and we thought our children, we want to teach them our own traditions and all, so that's why we are planning to go back. So we'll see what is your feedback. Let me know. Yeah, advise me on that. Give me your suggestion, because this pandemic has created very uncertain situations and we have to take very uncertain decisions that we never expect to take. But stay connected and like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. See you again.